Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for SBAC Review Day 4. This is page 1 and in this video we're going over problems number 1, 3, 5, and 7. Starting with number 1, we have 54 divided by 6 plus 3 in parentheses and then times 3. Anytime you see multiple operations like times, plus, and division in the problem, always think to yourself P, E, M and D, and then A and then S. P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, and then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So first we check, are there any parentheses in this problem? There are. The parentheses are right here, the 6 plus 3. So that's the very first thing we're going to do before doing anything else. So that would be then 54 divided by, and then in the parentheses, this 6 plus 3 is 9, so that becomes 9, and then we still have this times 3, times 3. Now we have division and multiplication. So we have parentheses, there weren't any exponents. M and D is multiplication or division. We go left to right. You go left to right, whichever comes first. So the division comes first, because it's on the left side. So 54 divided by 9, that's 6. And then we have the times 3. Then we can do multiplication again. 6 times 3 is 18. There's no addition and subtraction left. So there we go. 18 is our answer. Okay, next one. Here we have 3 to the third power. 3 to the third power times 7 to the second power, or 7 squared, minus 8 divided by 4. So again, first we do any parentheses, and any exponents, and any multiplication or division, then any addition or subtraction. So let's check. Are there any parentheses? No, there are no parentheses. Are there any exponents? Yep, I have an exponent here and an exponent there. This first exponent, 3 to the third power, that's the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3. And so 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. This exponent, that's the same thing as 7 times 7. And so 7 times 7 is 49. So that means I have 27 times 49. And don't forget the rest of this expression too. I have minus 8 divided by 4. So minus 8 divided by 4. Okay, so now I've done the exponents. That's done. Next, I look for any multiplication or division, going from left to right. Here's multiplication, so I'll do that first. 27 times 49. And for this, you can use a calculator. I'm going to grab one right now. (27 times 49). If you don't have a calculator, you can use the calculator on your phone or on your computer. So 27 times 49 is going to get me 1,323. 1,323. And I still have this minus 8 divided by 4. Now from here, I have subtraction here and division here. I always do multiplication or division before doing addition or subtraction. So I'm going to do this first. So then I would have 1,323 minus 2, because 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then 1,323 minus 2, that is equal to 1,321. And that's my final answer. Next problem. Number 5. Enter the value of 6p if p is equal to 8. So 6p is the same thing as 6 times p. And if p is equal to 8, what I can do is I can substitute this 8 in for this p right there. So then it becomes 6 times, and then instead of times p, now it's times 8, because p is equal to 8. So now it's 6 times 8, and 6 times 8, that is equal to 48. Number 7. Enter the value of 2 times y minus 8 divided by 4 when y is equal to 7. So if I have 2 times y minus 8 divided by 4, and I know that y is equal to 7, I can take that 7 and put it in for this y right here. So that it becomes 2 times 7 minus 8 divided by 4. Then I can do my order of operations. I have multiplication and division. I always do multiplication and division before subtraction. So I'm going to do left side first. 2 times 7 is 14 minus 8 divided by 4. Then I do the division first. 14 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. So 12 is my final answer.